Hello, explorers. In a world where lenses are everywhere, we often assume we've seen it all. However, every so often, a camera captures a moment so bizarre or unsettling that it was clearly never meant for public eyes. Undeniably, such 15 haunting captures reveal the unthinkable. Witness the impossible on camera. Number 15. Driving on an empty road usually feels peaceful, but the middle of nowhere holds secrets. This man caught something truly unsettling on camera. Men in suits, moving in ways that just aren't human. It's no wonder people are convinced they're looking at aliens in disguise. Number 14. Wait, did that deer just walk into a grocery store like a customer? You won't believe what the security camera caught in Wisconsin. Instead of foraging in the woods, she decided to go grocery shopping until the staff had to step in and literally herd her back outside. Number 13. Is this a hoax, or did we just catch something impossible on camera? Watch this bike rider. He's seconds away from a fatal crash when a stranger suddenly appears, faster than the eye can follow, and drags him to safety. It's unexplainable. It's the kind of moment that makes you rethink everything we know about guardian angels. Number 12. Everyone thinks the end of a rainbow holds a pot of gold, but what this camera caught is way more grounded. It's actually just light hitting water. Yet watching a car drive straight through it feels like witnessing something we weren't meant to see. Number 11. You aren't supposed to see them this close, but the camera didn't lie. These massive Aldabra tortoises are hidden giants, weighing in at a staggering 550 pounds. Forget the myth that they're sluggish. What you're about to see completely changes the game. Number 10. We see sea turtles as these gentle, majestic souls, but don't get it twisted. They're raw, wild hunters. Watch this. The way it just shreds through that jellyfish like it's nothing. Honestly, terrifying. And that's a leatherback, by the way. They can grow up to 6 feet long. Number 9. Most people never get to see what lives this deep, but this capture is special. Say hello to the Dumbo octopus. It's tiny, maybe the size of a guinea pig, but seeing it glide through the dark is wild. It looks so bizarre, you'd swear it was a water-type Pokemon caught on camera. Number 8. This is one of those things you aren't supposed to see, but here we are. That's a sea cucumber, and yes, that is exactly what you think it is. It's wild to imagine, but these creatures are responsible for dropping 70,000 tons of sandy waste into the ocean annually. Number 7. You won't believe what the camera caught inside this turtle's mouth. Those terrifying spikes are actually called papillae, made of the same keratin as our fingernails, designed to shred food and filter out salt. Nature is honestly just built differently. Number 6. We're usually told to fear these things, but the footage tells a different story. Nobody was meant to see this, but it turns out even the scariest predator on Earth has to start as a clumsy, adorable little swimmer. Number 5. You're not supposed to see this. Even a wild Pallas's cat needs its privacy, and this one clearly isn't a fan of the camera spying on its den. Look at the intensity. It's getting way too close for comfort. Number 4. I had to double take when I saw this. It looks exactly like a triceratops, but it's actually an incredible Ankole cow captured on film in Uganda back in 2018. It's wild how nature produces creatures that look like they belong in a history book rather than the modern day. Number 3. In January 2021, a DoorDash driver was caught stealing a customer's 9-week-old American bully, Belle, right from their front door. It's a gut-wrenching moment to watch, but thankfully, the authorities stepped in and reunited the puppy with her family. The